If you've played the new Season 5 of Fortnite, you've seen that turbo building is now patched. And this sucks, so I found a way around the patch to keep doing it. Okay, so first to do this, you need to find a trusty pickaxe. So, what the hell is this? Okay, I really thought this was a family-friendly game, but they're out here adding like dildo pickaxes and shit.
You going.
And you're also gonna need an emote, so let's pick this one.
In New York, I merely rock, hiding in my socks.
So you're gonna wanna bind your jump or crouch key to the same button as your locker emote slot 1 key. And don't set it to right click, by the way, because you won't be able to ADS. Okay, somebody explain to me why there's just a random ass tree in the middle of the desert. Like, that literally makes 0 sense. But anyways, now you need to swing your pickaxe and then click the button you just binded shortly after that. And you can only do this for every other hit. And now the only difference between this glitch and the old one is that you're jumping in this one, since they tried to patch it with emotes, but now we found a way to fix it. Dude, look, when I run, like, the pickaxe like jiggles. Like, that's hella sus. I don't think I can ever use this pickaxe again, dude. And that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new, because I'm gonna be uploading a lot of things like these in the future, like little tips and tricks. And I'm also gonna be streaming every day on YouTube starting now, so make sure to check those out as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.